Hi, I'm Kate Dean, and I traveled from Texas to Jacksonville, Florida to see Dr. Gulani, and I had a surgery yesterday, 24 hours ago, to fix my corneal scar that I got from suffering Acanthamoeba Keratitis about a year ago that left my cornea very damaged, and I was barely above legally blind. So I was very blessed to find out about Dr. Gulani through a support group on Facebook, and researched him and made the trip to all the way from Texas to come so he could restore my sight. I had a procedure done yesterday, and I'm coming back in a couple of months to have the follow-up, and I'm so excited. There were people here from all over the world traveling to get their sight restored because he is phenomenal. Dr. Gulani does treatments that other doctors do not do, and he is passionate about sharing his techniques with other doctors and training them. He wants to spread his knowledge so that all patients can have their sight restored, and they're not just depressed and sad and about the eye conditions that they have. The care here was just incredible. I felt like family with the staff. His knowledge, his surgery skills, his personal touch is just a big part of the package, and I'm excited to get to come back in a couple of months and have the second procedure done. It was pain-free. I was not anxious. I came out, it was wonderful. It was just an incredible experience that I would love for other people to know about and get to experience if they have a need.